Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making General Tso's chicken. Alright guys, I'm going to start by making a sauce that's going to go over our chicken. I'm going to start by putting in 12 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and I'm just going to eyeball this, guys. That's looking about right. Alright, now I'm going to add in 12 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. We're just eyeballing this, guys. Alright, I'm going to add in a half a cup of hoisin sauce. And guys, all the ingredients I'm using in this you can find at Walmart. That's where I got it. Or any grocery store in the Asian food department will have these things. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I should have had it ready ahead of time. So my apologies. I'm also going to add in 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm using the pre-diced stuff. Just get that down in there. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of ginger, which I have a little more here, guys. I have about a teaspoon of ginger, but that's alright. Sorry about bumping the camera. You can't go wrong with too much ginger, guys. And I'm going to put in about a half teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes. Now I'm going to mix this together and I'm going to set it aside, and we're going to move on to the chicken. Now before I forget though, I have to add in some brown sugar. I'm going to add in about 8 tablespoons of brown sugar. Good thing I had it right in front of me here, I would have forgot it. And my brown sugar's a little clumped up, but we'll break it up in there. You can use light or brown, or light or dark brown sugar. I'm just using the light stuff. Okay, now I'm going to mix this all together, and I'm just going to set this aside for right now. Alright guys, now my electric skillet heating up, but you can fry this in any pan you have. I'm going to turn this up to about 300, 325. I'm going to add in some, it's preheated by the way, I'm going to add in some sesame seed oil. I'd say probably about 4 to 6 tablespoons, a good healthy coating. And you want to use non-stick for this, guys, because it's going to get awful sticky with that sauce. Now I have probably about 3 pounds of chicken breast I cut up into cubes. We're going to get that in and we're going to brown it and cook it through. And it's important, you want to make sure that your chicken is cooked through. You don't want to eat raw chicken and get sick. Okay, now that my chicken's all cooked through, and that took about 10 minutes, I'm going to dump that sauce over the chicken. You want to make sure you get it all, because this here is where all your flavor comes from, guys. I'm going to stir this around, and I'm going to allow this to cook just for a few more minutes for that sauce to thicken up and for the chicken to get infused with that good General Tso flavor. Alright guys, this is ready to go. You see how nice and thick my sauce got. It only took a minute or two. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I'm serving this over rice. I added more hoisin sauce in there, some diced green onion, and some sesame seeds. Let's get in here and give this a try, guys. And if you have never had hoisin sauce, it's really good. It's like a molasses sweet soy teriyaki blend. Really good. It's really delicious, guys. Rich in flavor. The chicken's nice and tender. Let me give that one more try. Rice is nice and fluffy. That's really delicious, guys, and a lot cheaper than a Chinese place. Alright, there you have it. General Tso's chicken. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.